How to create a new list. Hello, this is Colin and this is the third video in the playlist on how to build the email list. Go and watch the other videos on how to get started, but so far we've opened up a new Aweber account, and now I'm going to show you how to create your first list in Aweber. You can create as many lists inside Aweber as you wish. So let's go to Aweber. So in the previous video you created an account. I'm using my existing account, so there's other lists and other details. Yours will be completely blank, but as soon as you log into your account, in your Aweber account, you just go to manage lists at the top right there, and then it says here create a list. You click on create a list. Okay, new page will open up, and then you can call it anything that you want. That it will remind you of what all your so you know what the list is. So we're gonna make a email, a giveaway, free email. So I'm just going to call it free ebook. Sorry, free ebook giveaway. And then you put your company website here. You can create a website in Aweber. Hopefully, if you started with your online journey, you would have created your website already. I highly recommend taking your own name. In my case, I've got colinbrazendale.com. That website will always be your base. If anybody searches for you, they'll find you there, and all the other things will sit around your website. So it's very important to have a website. So if you haven't got a website yet, go to GoDaddy or onegrid.co.za in South Africa and buy a website with hosting. So then you'll put your website address in here, and then we'll ask you for I've got already pre-populated addresses here because this is an existing account. This address will always show at the bottom of your emails that you broadcast. So I recommend using your PO box. It's just a little bit more privacy, and then you can put your sender name in there and then the email, because with your website you'll get an email. So you just set up your email in your cPanel of your website, and then you add your email there. This can be a Gmail email as well. And then you just go next step. Here the list name, I'm just going to call it again the free ebook on folder list, or whatever you want to call it. And then here just a brief description. This will also show the subscriber what it's about, because many times they subscribe to many different lists and then they forget what it's all about. And then so just add a description in there, because they will be able to see this description. So it says here, briefly describe in the email to your subscribers are going to, or what they're going to receive. This is okay. I didn't think now. Okay. Let me just think quickly what to write. I'm just going to pause the video. Okay, I'm back. I had to go and think what's going to be my lead magnet. So this must relate it to your lead magnet that you're going to give away for free. So I'm going to give away an ebook on Aweber. So I just put free ebook and newsletter on how to manage and make money with your Aweber Autoresponder. So that's going to be my description. So this will remind the people what they subscribed to, or who you are as well. So I just go next, and then in my case language English, Autoresponder. This is the confirmation email that they'll get. We're going to change this so that because what's going to happen is as soon as they subscribe, they're either going to be immediately on your list or they're going to get a email confirmation in their email. What I've done in the beginning, I did manage it in the way that they'll get a subscription, or they had to double opt in. In other words, they give their name and email, and then they go to the email and they must confirm it there. But what I've noticed, the people forget to go to the email to confirm that they want to be on your list. So Aweber has got an option where you can add them directly to your list, where they don't have to go to the email to double opt in. So we're going to have a single opt-in. So this is the email that they will get if you select double opt-in. But we're going to change this anyway. So just go approve. But you can also manually change that first email that they get if you decide on the double opt-in. So there we've created our list now. So if we go to subscribers, manage subscribers, you'll see it's empty. So we've got nobody here. But we've created our first list. So what we're going to do next is to first get our free offer or our lead magnet, and then we're going to come back to Aweber and continue with this journey. So yes, so that is how to create your first list in Aweber. Thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.